Waterfront on Ramsey Lake? Say no more. Dan Gray, Danielle Aubry, and I, Emily Mazzotti, are proud to offer Sudbury's first ever EXP luxury property for sale.
This home has had a white glove service from start to finish, with professional paint, staging, and photography.
With no expense spared. This property has some traits that not all Ramsey Lake properties have.
This home is on the side of Ramsey Lake that is south-facing, with a breeze that eliminates lots of unwanted insects. It's also in a common sheltered bay with a non-restrictive roadway because there's 2 ways in and 2 ways out of this property. It's also minutes from box stores, and there's no well and septic, so it's all municipal services. These homeowners have been water skiing right off their sandy beach for years. Yes, you heard that, sandy beach.
Here we are in a 2-story heated garage with stairs to the upper level.
You might see this property featured in the Wall Street Journal, the Robb Report, and many other magazines and publications. But the most important place is in our luxury online listing portal. This is where you can really take in the property for all its beauty.
We look forward to showing you around.